Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Google Play Store subscription. All right. First up, just open up your Play Store app. And once you're in here, tap on your profile right here at the top right. Tap on it. And as you can see, in these options right here, payments and subscriptions is available. Just go ahead and tap on it. All right. And do make sure that you log in with the account where you want to cancel a subscription. All right. If you don't have the account in here, just go ahead and tap on add another account. Now, once done, again, go to payments and subscriptions, then head over to subscriptions. All right. You will see your active subscriptions right here. Just go ahead and tap on it, tap cancel subscriptions, and follow the rest of the instructions. All right. Tip here, if you have a subscription with an app and the app gets removed from Google Play, your future subscriptions will be canceled. Your past subscriptions can't be refunded, with some exceptions as specified in this article. Don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description. Now you can try this option here as well to cancel your subscription. Just go ahead and tap on it. All right. And there will be a help guide. All right. You can just follow along with these prompts right here. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.